Hey everyone, welcome back to Speedometer, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in sports cars, bikes, and heavy vehicles. Today, we're diving deep into BMW's latest powerhouse in the adventure bike world, the all-new 2024 BMW R1000 GS. If you're a fan of high-performance adventure bikes, this one's for you, so stay tuned. First off, the R1000 GS has taken a major leap forward in both design and performance. BMW has managed to make this bike lighter and more compact than its predecessor, the R1250 GS. But don't be fooled by its reduced weight up, the power has actually increased. Thanks to the updated shift-cam engine technology, the R1000 GS delivers optimized performance at both low and high RPMs, ensuring you have smooth power delivery whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rocky trails. One of the most exciting changes is the new EvoLever suspension system. BMW has revised this for better handling, giving you more feedback and precision, particularly off-road. This bike is engineered to handle anything you throw at it, from dirt tracks to rugged mountain roads. Combine this with BMW's dynamic brake control and cornering ABS, and you've got the bike that's not only fast but also incredibly safe. And let's talk about the riding mode. This machine is built for versatility. With 4 standard modes: Road, Rain, Eco, and Enduro, and optional riding modes Pro, which includes Dynamic Pro and Enduro Pro, you can fine-tune your ride to any terrain. The bike even has an eco mode to help stretch out your fuel efficiency, perfect for those long-distance adventures. Another impressive feature is the redesigned chassis. BMW has swapped out the tubular steel frame for a new, laser-welded steel sheet metal frame, making the bike lighter while improving stiffness. Plus, the bike's aluminum rear subframe enhances stability when you're loaded with gear or riding 2-up. The electronics package on the R1000 GS is another standout. The bike is loaded with tech like dynamic suspension adjustment, (DSA), which automatically adjusts the suspension based on road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on tarmac or off-road. And with the new electric windscreen that comes with the comfort package, you'll stay comfortable no matter how fast you're going. Visually, the R1000 GS looks sleek and modern. BMW offers a few color options, but the standout trophy version features tubeless cross-spoke wheels and a more rugged appearance. It's the perfect bike for those who want style and substance in equal measure. So, what's our final take on the 2024 BMW R1000 GS? This bike is an absolute beast when it comes to adventure touring. It's lighter, more powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a bike to tackle long road trips, off-road challenges, or simply an all-around performance machine, the R1000 GS is a top contender. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in sports cars, bikes, and heavy vehicles. This is Speedometer, signing off. Stay fast, stay curious, and ride safe.